Good morning, everybody, and welcome to CLC's credit vlog of this week. And some big news came out late last week. Really important for the mortgage industry. Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac has pushed back, delayed the start of the transition to FICO 10T and Vantage Score 4.0. Under that policy, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac were or are going to replace the current FICO score model versions 2, 4, and 5 that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac dictate that are used if you're going to have that mortgage insured by Fannie and Freddie. So big change by pushing to this. You probably already heard about it, but converting to a new scoring model of FICO 10T and Vantage Score 4.0 that takes into consideration not only trended data, but also alternative data and an upgraded scoring model, because versions 2, 4, and 5 have been used for almost 30 years now. So this was scheduled to go into effect third quarter of this year. And now they've delayed it, and part of the delay mainly is based around the delay in the uniform data select of looking at 10 years worth of history of FICOs and applying the 10T to those same loans, so the industry can digest that and start to take into consideration all of the impacts of loan level pricing adjustments and how those things are calculated. So the ABA, or the America's Bankers Association, last year requested FHFA to make the public analysis take a little longer. That drove changes, saving a greater transparency needed to ensure a smooth transition to the new model. ABA had previously raised the concern with FHFA about the public comment process for the initial rule and urged the agency to provide more time and stakeholder feedback, and they've got it. So pushed pause on that for now. Again, it was going to happen in Q3 of 2025. Now they haven't disclosed when that's going to take effect. With this updated report, you can click on the link below and read this report. There's a couple of other new nuggets that have come out and some clarification on once they get to FICO 10T and Vantage Score 4.0, how they're going to calculate what score is used. They're not going to be merging between the two. They're going to have a score for 10T and a score for Vantage Score 4.0, but going from a tri-merge to a bi-merge option and showing how that calculation will happen. There's some options that are being proposed of being the average of the score across both borrowers, which will be something pretty new in that sense. But some good nuggets in here. Take a look at it. But the main point is the big timeline that was coming, which was huge on the mortgage industry, of being able to digest this and transition into new scoring, and how MI was going to be affected, how loan level pricing adjustments are going to be affected, what lenders and thresholds and overlays. Crazy big lift for the mortgage industry has just gotten pushed back. So no longer fear of Q3 2025 of this turning the world on its ear. Still coming, but there is a delay. So again, hope you found this information useful. Below there's going to be a link for the specific report mentioned. And again, anytime you ever have a question in regards to a credit report or a consumer that needs to get mortgage ready or improve their buying power, please don't hesitate to reach out to Credit Law Center. We're here to help. Thanks. Have a great week.